I Was Here is a multi-artistic collaboration to pay homage to the spirit of the people who were enslaved and ran through one of the biggest slave markets in the country right here in Lexington, Kentucky.
One of the aims of it is to create permanent memorials of ancestor spirits in the places where they were bought and sold, and in doing so, to begin to find a way for us to see each other differently and begin to develop a humanity that's shared. And one thing that I have seen is this wound of slavery is just incredibly deep. And it's not only here, it's throughout the country. And I think that we need to find a way to see each other, which this is part of what we can do with these ancestor spirits.
The effort to save the soul of the country, save the soul of the nation. I think it's not an exaggeration, because the history of slavery in this country is part of an issue, and it's a stain on the soul of the country. And we simply, for many reasons, have not even confronted this. So this is part of a very, very important movement that I see going on across the country to address this, because I think unless we address this and address this collectively, then we never get past it. This is an important contribution to that, because it does engage people in a very creative way. And that effort moves us closer to that dialogue and ultimately that action, whatever action that flows out of that is ultimately where it's at.